Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful apple coaster. I am using a 4mm crochet hook size and this 3-ply yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. Then make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and chain 4. After making 4 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain. Now make chain 1, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring of chain and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops together. This is our half double crochet stitch. Make half double crochet 2 into the ring, half double crochet 3, half double crochet 4, half double crochet 5. This way we would make total of 12 half double crochet stitches into the ring. I have made 12 half double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the first half double crochet stitch and our first round is completed. Now cut the starting extra yarn end. Start the second round. Make chain 1, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the same very first stitch and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 3 loops together to make a half double crochet stitch. Then make another half double crochet stitch into the same first stitch. Now go into the second stitch, make a half double crochet, then into the same second stitch make half double crochet 2, go into the third stitch, make half double crochet 1, go into the same stitch and make half double crochet 2, then into the next stitch make a half double crochet, then into the same stitch again make a half double crochet. In this way make 2 half double crochet stitches in every stitch and complete the second round. Now make a slip stitch into the very first half double crochet stitch of the second round and our second round is completed. Make chain 1 into the same stitch where we have made our slip stitch, make a half double crochet. Into the next stitch we would make 2 half double crochet stitches. So into this second stitch make half double crochet 1 and make half double crochet 2 into it. Then into the next stitch make one half double crochet stitch. Into the next one we would make 2 half double crochet stitches, half double crochet 1 and then half double crochet 2. Into the next one make 1 half double crochet and into the next stitch we would make 2 half double crochet stitches into the same stitch. So in this round we would make 1 half double crochet in one stitch and 2 half double crochet stitches into the other stitch and complete this round. In the last make a slip stitch into the very first half double crochet stitch, make chain 1, make 1 half double crochet into the first stitch, make 1 half double crochet into the second stitch and into the third stitch we would make 2 half double crochet stitches, half double crochet 1 and then half double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now into the next stitch make 1 half double crochet, into the next stitch make another half double crochet, and into the next stitch we would make 2 half double crochet stitches, half double crochet 1 and half double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So make an increase in every third stitch and complete this round. Now make chain 1 and make half double crochet into the first stitch, then make 1 half double crochet stitch into the next second stitch, make 1 half double crochet into the third stitch, and after these 3 stitches into the fourth stitch we would make 2 half double crochet stitches into the same stitch. So half double crochet 1 and then half double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now into the next stitch make 1 half double crochet, into the next one make 1 half double crochet again, into the next one make 1 half double crochet, after these 3 simple stitches we would make an increased stitch again. So make half double crochet 1 and then half double crochet 2 into this same stitch, make an increase in every fourth stitch and complete this round. So I have made all stitches of this round. Now we would change the color to make a single crochet round around our coaster with this change color. So now make a slip stitch with this green color yarn into the very first stitch, so make a slip stitch with this green color yarn. Now pull the off-white color yarn, make chain 1 and make a single crochet into this same stitch where we have made our slip stitch. Now we would weave these 2 yarn strands inside this single crochet stitch work so that we don't have to weave them separately. So make single crochet in each and every stitch of the previous round all around the coaster. Now cut the extra yarn strand and complete this single crochet round. I have completed this single crochet round all around our coaster. Now I would make a leaf for the coaster. So make a slip stitch with this green color yarn, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6. After making 6 chains, make one more chain, go into the second chain from the hook and make a single crochet into it. Then into the next stitch make a half double crochet stitch, into the next stitch make a double crochet, into the next chain make a double crochet stitch, into the next chain make a double crochet, and after that we have last chain here, make a double crochet in this last chain, make double crochet 2 into this same chain, then make double crochet 3, make double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and after making 6 double crochet stitches into this last chain, go to the other side, make a double crochet in the next chain. From the opposite side, make a double crochet into the next chain, make a double crochet into the next chain. After these 3 chains, we have 2 chains left. Cut this starting yarn strand and make a half double crochet stitch into the second last chain and make a single crochet into the last chain, then make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch, pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, then weave the extra yarn strand with the help of needle. I have woven the yarn strand. Now we would join this leaf to our coaster. Now I am using a black color yarn. We would join coaster and petal with this, a leaf with this black color yarn. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, then into the second chain we would make a single crochet. I have made a slip stitch, we would make a single crochet from the second chain. So make a single crochet into this chain, go into the next chain, make a single crochet in it, then into the next chain make a single crochet, and in this way make single crochet in each chain. We would get total of 5 single crochet stitches this way. Now make a slip stitch into the coaster, pull the yarn and cut it with the help of cutter, remove the extra yarn strand, make a knot of these 2 yarn strands, and now with the help of crochet hook pull them through 1 or 2 stitches of the back side of coaster. Just cut the leftover yarn and our coaster is ready. Now we would add this black color yarn with the help of tapestry needle to make seeds for our coaster. So pull the needle from back side to the front to the place of 2 stitches like this to make a seed. And now just weave this yarn end by making a knot, cut it, and now we would make another seed to the opposite side. Seed is made between 2 stitches of the first round. Now just make 2 knots of these yarn strands and cut the extra yarn. Our coaster is ready. I hope you guys like it. So if you like it, give it big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Share this with family and friends also. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.